It's Sunday. Feeling pretty tired, so may just do 3 miles. Yeah, but we shall see. It is raining out, so that's always fun. I don't think it's windy though, so that's a good thing. Yeah, at times like these, you gotta just lace up the shoes and force yourself out the door. It's hard because these are the times where motivation is just lacking. Tired, up early working today, so there's that. But yeah, I'm gonna make it happen right now. I'm gonna push myself, and we'll see how it feels as I get a mile in. All right, man. Stuck at the train in the rain. It was actually gonna go longer, 6 or 7, but hit the train and it's raining, as you can see. So I was just standing out there, and it could be up to 15 plus minutes. So in the rain, that's just not enjoyable. So turned around, cut it to 4.1. I mean, that's a solid week, 34 miles, not bad. Wanted to do 40, but it's just not in the cards this week. And you just can't put the pressure on, as I've been saying over and over. No pressure, just get it done. So, all right, till Monday.